To format the SD card of a camera, you first come to the bottom left, go to Setup. From Setup, we go to System. And in System, we go to IP Camera Maintenance. From there, we then go to Format IPC. Note that you can only format SD cards for cameras that have SD cards in them. As you can see, there is only one camera with an SD card in it, which is the one connected on channel 4. This is the one we can format. We click here. Click on Format. Type in our admin password as I'm currently doing now. And when we are done doing that, click on Authenticate to confirm and format the SD card in the camera. This is how you format the SD card on a camera.